Most traders believe the secret to winning is finding the perfect entry, the exact candle, the exact breakout, the exact sniper moment. But smart traders know the truth. Perfect entries don't exist, and chasing them destroys more accounts than bad strategies. Every time you wait for the perfect moment, you hesitate. You overthink, and you miss the real opportunity: consistent execution. Markets move too fast, and perfection is an illusion that creates fear, FOMO, and regret. Chasing perfect entries makes you hesitate. It makes you doubt your plan. It keeps you glued to the screen, waiting for some magical moment that never actually arrives. And when the market moves without you, you panic and jump in late, usually at the worst possible price. Smart traders understand that perfection is an illusion. Markets are messy, unpredictable, and always moving. There is no perfect entry, only high probability setups and sound risk management. That's why professionals focus on consistency instead of precision. They take good trades, not flawless ones. They follow their rules, not their emotions. When you stop chasing perfect entries, your trading becomes calmer. You execute cleanly, you think clearly. And your results improve because you stop fighting the market and start working with it. Consistency, discipline, and risk control will always make you more money than waiting for perfection. Most traders don't realize this, but the obsession with getting the perfect entry is one of the biggest reasons they stay stuck, emotionally, financially, and mentally. When you chase perfection, you create a fantasy in your mind: the perfect candle, the perfect breakout, the perfect indicator alignment. You start believing that if you time your entry flawlessly, the trade is guaranteed. But that belief is the beginning of emotional trading. Here's the truth: the market doesn't reward perfection. It rewards preparedness. It rewards consistency. It rewards the trader who can execute cleanly without hesitation. Chasing perfect entries does the opposite. It makes you freeze when you should act, and it makes you jump impulsively when patience was required. You hesitate, waiting for a signal that looks just right. Then the move begins, and instead of accepting that you missed it, you chase it and create your own loss. Smart traders know something most people ignore: the edge is rarely in the entry, the edge is in the plan. A professional doesn't need to catch the absolute bottom or top. They need to enter within a reasonable zone, protect their capital, and manage the trade with composure. They don't need the perfect moment, they need a repeatable one. Once you stop chasing the perfect entry, everything changes. Your stress drops, your execution improves. Your results become more stable because you're no longer trying to predict perfection. You're responding to structure, probabilities, and discipline. Smart traders don't aim to be perfect. They aim to be consistent, and that's why they win.